Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back again to Crazy Mate. The last video, this is video 4. Mummy's a bit worried about this. She says she's not, but she is. We've not actually done this recipe before. We're actually following this from someone.
Because I can't find my own.
We can't find our recipe that we use for fudge. So we've never done this recipe, so we don't know what it's going to come out like. It's got alcohol in it,
Probably
so
similar to mine, but
we don't know. So we're going to get cracked on anyway, and you just need the hob and Mum. Let's go.
oh thanks.
Rather than run through it all, I'll leave all the recipe in the description below. There's some of it.
I'm going to get a bigger saucepan than that one, even though that's a hard bottom one, but
Sorry guys, my camera's stuck.
I don't want to chance it.
There we all set. Is it on the low one here? I'm going that one or this one or that one?
I don't know, it's the low one.
Yeah, okay. It's got to go on a medium heat.
Oh, I ain't got no ingredients. They're
That's
all over there.
Yeah, you can grab them. You want your butter? There it is, that's it.
This was originally going to be a microwave recipe.
Yep. But we've changed it because
I don't know about
we ain't got a bowl big enough for a microwave.
Well, it can really bubble up in a microwave.
Excuse me, so that was actually 140 grams of proper butter, 400 grams of caster sugar.
Lumps are free.
Yeah, lumps are free. Yep, a whole can of 397 grams of condensed milk.
That I haven't opened, but it should have been okay, but things happen.
That's alcohol for that.
I normally put that in last, but
What?
like the essence.
I don't know, just put it in. You'll soon find out.
I love the way you experiment on me.
She hates to look stupid, guys. But she's not. I mean, we're both doing this recipe, so we're both going to look stupid.
Can you get the camera bit out of my
Yeah,
grill?
I was just trying to get this so you can put the essence in. Over a medium heat.
Okay.
We're just going to go by the recipe.
Right.
It's not our recipe, it's whoever done the recipe. Right, this recipe was on BBC Good Food, and it was by Cassie Best. Ain't got a clue who it is, but there, that's who it is by. And we're doing it on the, obviously on the hob, over a medium heat.
With a plastic spatula.
Is that a medium heat?
Well, yes, because it's on my low.
So there you go. It's slowly, well, not dissolving yet.
Well, I can put it on the back one.
Yeah, put it over a medium heat.
So I can get more of a medium control instead of a slow heat. And we'll just sit about it.
Just gonna melt it down. So we don't bore you, we'll be back when it started to melt.
I was waiting for you.
Right, there you go.
I have been stirring it all the time. Now, you can do it the old-fashioned way of...
I was actually upstairs trying to get the next video up.
I am going to turn the heat just a little bit past thingy now. I have stirred it all the time.
Yeah, you want
so
it to
sugar didn't
200 and something soft ball dough if you have one of these focus. If you have one of these candy thermometers, it's got to be on soft ball.
And I have been stirring it all the time, even since we went, because you don't want your sugar and that to stick to the bottom. And I'm just waiting to get up to soft ball. That's around about here.
Yeah.
There's 100, there's 220s there.
Like I say, we don't know what this is going to come out like. We've never done this recipe. It's just one we see online.
I've made fudge before, many years ago.
Yeah, but we know what our fudge is like. It's always good.
So something,
When you do
hopefully
someone else's recipe,
you don't know what it's
you
like.
don't know. It might be rubbish.
I hope I haven't getting bits in it.
Extra flavour, I don't know.
I'm not taking this off the high temperature because I don't want it to burn, and I definitely don't want it to stick to the bottom. And it gives that sugar that bit of extra time. I can actually feel that the sugar has all melted.
Oh dear guys, let's get you set up on the tripod. My mum knows how to work the camera, just so I can get... I'll be back, 2 seconds. Right, we're back. Mum's just whinging and complaining about the stuff that's coming off the bottom, but it doesn't really matter.
It's only for us, but
You're only going to eat it. So yeah, she's panicking. It's not my recipe.
no, it's not my recipe, and I
Right,
normally had my hard base pan.
I'm going to leave you with my mum because I've got to get this video uploaded.
It's rather boring. It's my own fault for leaving it and scraping the sides and but that will settle back down because I've got to turn it off, so there you go. Did it again. Right. It's nearly there. It is starting to boil up now. That hopefully will settle back down. And then it's very time consuming, as you can see. Hopefully, don't know if you can see the thermometer over here. Probably not. If you're thinking you can try this one, and this is what you're after. So I've dropped it into some water, and as you can see, it's gone to a soft ball stage. So with this recipe, you now have to turn this one down, leave it for the temperature to come back down to about 120, and we'll be back when that happens. Right, I'm not happy with leaving it any longer. I think it's totally wrong the way they're doing it, because it's supposed to come down to 120 and we're at 180, and
it's nearly already set.
so
do 180 because it's already nearly like concrete.
on that, I don't see why you would do that. I've never done that with my fudges.
No, but we don't know what it's going to come out like. It's not a hard recipe.
It's just making a mess.
You don't want to stir up the bottom because obviously all the stuff that is hard will go to the bottom.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is, but
Brandy.
why you
brandy.
Leave it, I don't know, but you've got to stir it. So you've got no choice to stir it to get the brandy in it.
Yeah, just to get it that gloss.
There's no way I
That's right. You just try.
can do it.
It's
Stirring it in.
It's an experiment.
It's definitely that.
Yeah, once that's done, I ain't lined a tray.
I've got a line tray over there.
Yeah, when that's done, you line it.
That'll have to do.
Yeah. Oh, we're moving.
We're moving, sorry.
Look at that.
I'm going to scrape it a little bit, but try and not scrape it off the bottom of my pan.
Yeah. And we'll show you why. Don't get too happy.
Yeah.
It's going good at the minute.
This is. I've never had this done to me on a fudge before. I've never made a fudge.
And this is why you don't want to scrape the bottom.
Because that way of leaving it, it's gone like this on the bottom.
Oh, look at all that. Now you want to get that quickly in some water. My mum is going to literally go to put that in the fridge. And that's probably going to take roughly a couple of hours.
Yeah, so it might have to
2-3 hours. But we'll check it. That's going to go in the fridge. And we'll catch you guys in 2 to 3 hours. You might actually see this video. You'll probably end up seeing this video tomorrow. Just like it's 8 o'clock already. We've not even thought about doing dinner yet.
No, we've missed out now.
It'll just be a bit of toast for
It's
dinner.
lucky we've done some baking, at least we're picking at them.
A bit of toast for dinner. But
No,
it doesn't matter. Yeah, we've got this to pick, but I'm saying dinner. Like, rather than cook a proper meal.
Yeah.
I'm actually, because somewhere we actually today we bought a nice brioche loaf.
Yes.
So yeah, so I'm not too sure if you'll see this video. You might do, you might not. But that's just got to sit in the fridge now, isn't it?
Yeah, and now I'm going to cry over my saucepan.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit.
Oh well.
Bye.
Things happen. But alright, welcome back. We've had it in the fridge, put it in the freezer.
About an hour and a half.
Yeah, put it in the freezer for a bit.
Just because why? I'm impatient. I want to get this video up.
Oh.
And then tomorrow we just got one. I'm actually cooking my dinner. And in the UK right now, it is nearly 9:30
But it's absolutely stupid.
in the evening.
But yeah, dinner's going.
So yeah, here it is. Sorry about the barking dog.
He's frightening missing something.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Look at that.
It's probably set better by tomorrow, but here it is.
It is semi-set.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. There it is. Give it a taste there. Can't actually taste the booze.
No.
It's a little bit soft still.
Yep.
Really sweet.
Really sweet.
If you're a diabetic, I definitely want to give it a go.
Yeah. It's I want to say like a gritty fudge.
Yeah.
Rather than
It's gritty.
Than when I've done it and it's smooth.
Yeah. This is why this ain't our recipe. We followed this.
Yeah.
Also, I want to say as well, I'll flip my little screen around so I can see myself. The recipe was by a lady called
Don't know, but it was
Cassie Best, and we followed the instructions the way we done it on the hob from the Gypsy chef.
Because this actually, maybe it is better. It is supposed to be a microwave recipe. It was supposed to be a microwave recipe. Perhaps
But we didn't have a bowl big enough.
But it does bubble up in the microwave, so I was a bit worried about what size bowl
Yeah.
I'd have. Because I don't tend to use my microwave to
Yeah. Sorry, I just got to stir my chicken.
So yeah, maybe it comes out better.
Yeah.
Microwave.
But
Yeah, I don't know what to say other than that.
oh, that's done. So, if you enjoyed that video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow with Cookmas 5. Today's been a bit of a rush. 3 videos, all done, and hopefully all uploaded in today. That is a lot. I think that's well going, because you guys only see how long the video is. So if it's like 20 minutes, for us it's probably like 2 hours. So yeah, anyway, we're going to go because I'm going to cook my dinner because I'm hungry. And we will catch you guys tomorrow with Cookmas number 5.
Number 5.
Bye.